Alright gamers, let's talk about Corepunk error 0x405. This error has been causing quite a stir in the gaming community, and it's time we break it down. This little annoyance usually pops up when you're trying to connect to the game servers. You might be all set for an epic gaming session, but then, bam! Error 0x405 hits you out of nowhere. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Frustrating, right? You keep trying to log in, but it feels like you're hitting a brick wall. This error is a sign that something's up with the game servers, not your own setup. The servers might be overloaded, undergoing maintenance, or experiencing some technical difficulties. Think of it like this: you're all set to call your buddy, but their phone line is down. No matter how many times you dial, you just can't get through. You can check your phone all you want, but the problem isn't on your end. It's the same with error 0x405. The issue lies with the game servers. Now before you start ripping your hair out, remember this. Most of the time, error 0x405 is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple steps. Patience is key here. So, take a deep breath, grab your lucky keyboard, and let's troubleshoot this thing together. We'll go through some common fixes and get you back in the game in no time. Stay tuned and let's tackle this error head on. Before we dive into any complicated fixes, let's start with the easiest solution: checking the Corepunk server status. This is often the quickest way to determine if the issue is on your end or if it's something beyond your control. Head over to the official Corepunk website or social media channels for any announcements or updates. These platforms are usually the first to inform players about any ongoing issues, scheduled maintenance, or unexpected outages. Server maintenance or unexpected outages can happen, and they might be the culprit behind error 0x405. It's not uncommon for servers to go down for a variety of reasons, including updates, technical difficulties, or even high traffic volumes. It's like going to a restaurant only to find out it's closed for renovations. You were all set for a great meal, but now you have to change your plans. Not ideal, but hey, at least you know what's going on. Knowing the server status can save you a lot of time and frustration, preventing you from trying to troubleshoot a problem that isn't on your end. If the servers are indeed down, there's not much you can do but wait it out. Patience is key here. Sometimes these issues are resolved quickly, but other times it might take a bit longer. Grab a snack, watch some cat videos, and try connecting again later. Patience, young Padawan, patience. Use this downtime to relax and take a break. The game will be back up before you know it, and you'll be ready to jump back in. Okay, so the servers are up and running, but you're still getting error 0x405. Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Close Corepunk completely and give your computer a quick reboot. Think of it like clearing the cache on your browser. It just helps things run smoother. If that doesn't do the trick, let's check your internet connection. Try switching to a different network, like from Wi-Fi to Ethernet or vice versa. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes mess with online games. Section 4, Deep Dive Verifying Game Files. In this section, we will walk you through the process of verifying your game files to fix common errors and improve your gaming experience. Still stuck with error 0x405? This error can be particularly frustrating, especially when you're eager to dive into your favorite game. Time to roll up our sleeves and get a bit more technical. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds, and we'll guide you every step of the way. Corrupted or missing game files can also cause connection issues, crashes, and other unexpected problems that can ruin your gaming session. Luckily, Steam has a handy feature to verify the integrity of your game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on Corepunk, and select Properties. This feature is a lifesaver for many gamers. Go to the Local Files tab. This is where you can manage your game files and ensure everything is in order, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This button initiates the process of checking your game files for any issues. This process scans your game files thoroughly, ensuring that each file is exactly as it should be, and automatically re-downloads any missing or corrupted data. This means you don't have to manually search for and replace problematic files. Think of it like a virus scan for your game. Just as an antivirus program checks for and removes threats, this feature ensures your game files are clean and functional. It might take a while depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, so be patient. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, the process can vary in duration. Larger games with more files will naturally take longer, but it's worth it to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. Once the process is complete, you can enjoy a smoother, error-free gaming experience. Happy gaming! Section 5. Stay updated. Game patches matter. Game developers are always working behind the scenes to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new content. These updates often come in the form of patches, and it's crucial to keep your game up to date to avoid any compatibility issues. Check if there are any pending updates for Corepunk on Steam and install them before launching the game. Sometimes, outdated game versions can conflict with the servers, leading to error 0x405. It's like making sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Those updates aren't just for show. They often contain important bug fixes and security improvements. Section 6. When all else fails. Contact support. You've tried everything, but error 0x405 is still haunting your gaming sessions? Don't despair. It's time to call in the big guns. Corepunk support. Head over to the official Corepunk website and look for their support page. Provide them with a detailed description of the issue, including any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They'll be able to investigate further and offer personalized assistance. Think of them as your tech support superheroes ready to swoop in and save the day. They're there to help, so don't hesitate to reach out. Section 7. Game on. You got this. Dealing with error codes can be a real pain, but remember, you're not alone in this struggle. By following these steps, you'll be back to exploring the world of Corepunk in no time at all. Remember, a little patience and persistence go a long way in solving these issues. And hey, if you found any other workarounds or have any questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Let's help each other out and conquer this error code together. Happy gaming, everyone!